Determine the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment formed by joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3. Let us begin. Now let's say we have a point A having the coordinates 1, 0. We have another point B. B has the coordinates, let's say 2, 3. Let's join point A and point B with the help of a straight line. Now we're going to consider another point C. And C, from C we're going to drop a perpendicular on AB. Let's say we drop a perpendicular CD on AB such that this is the point D. So D is bisecting AB into two equal segments. In other words, we can say that D is the midpoint of AB. Now since D is the midpoint of AB, now we can clearly say that the coordinate of the midpoint D is going to be simply equals to find out the x coordinate, what we'll do, we'll sum up the x coordinate of A and B. So that's 1 added to 2, divide the result by 2. To find out the y coordinate, we're going to sum up 0 and 3. So that's going to be 0 plus 3 and divided by 2. That means the coordinate of point D is going to be 3 over 2 and the y coordinate is also going to be 3 over 2. So now that we have 3 over 2, 3 over 2, our next goal will be to determine the slope of AB. So let's find out the slope of line AB. Here we are going to represent it by the letter M1. So this will be given by the difference of the y coordinate divided by the difference of the x coordinate. So here in the numerator we're going to take 3 minus 0 divided by the difference of the y coordinate, which is simply 2 minus 1. This gives us a value of 3. So this is the slope of line AB. Now let us suppose that the slope of the other line, the perpendicular line, slope of CD, let it be denoted by the letter M2. Now we know for a fact that whenever we have two lines that are perpendicular to each other, then the product of the two slopes must be equals to -1, which means that since M1 valued as 3, so 3 times M2 must be equals to -1. And solving for M2, we get M2 equals to -1/3. So now we have the line CD, which has a slope of -1/3, and one of the points of that particular line CD is 3 over 2, 3 over 2. So what we can do, we can use the point slope form. The point slope form can be used to determine the equation of the line CD, which is simply given by y minus y1 equals to the slope M multiplied to x minus x1. So here our point D, that's going to be given by x1 comma y1, and then the slope of line CD, that's simply -1/3. So we substitute this value to get y minus 3 over 2 equals to -1/3 times x minus 3 over 2. So when we solve for this particular equation, we can simplify this equation to get x plus 3y equals to 6, and that's going to be the required equation of the line.